All right. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah. So. I'm not playing a video game. That's right. I can actually do things besides playing video games, such as make video games. Although not exactly. Not exactly. You see. 1 second. E. Drive. Programming. Sector. I think. Yeah. Sign.md. Alright. Oh, yeah, we should not have this in key filter. There you go. And this should probably be all in the screen. There you go. So. I want. What's the preview? So. Yeah. So this is something, I don't know, like the design document. So I have this idea of basically a sim for general, that's all of this electronics game, like, into one, right? And not all of them, but like all of the mainline electronics games. So I'm thinking like, what should we call it? TIS 100, Shenzhen IO, Space Chem. Opus Magnum is on the hexagonal grid, and I have an idea for how to handle that, but probably for minimum release, we're going to stick to purely the square ones, and exapunks. Am I missing any? I don't believe I am. And so the general idea is try to get like a launcher that can have all of these components coexist together, so that people can make puzzles that utilize the abilities of all of these different things from each game. And they can tune it afterwards, right? They can tune it to say like, hey, I don't want, you can only do it with like this subset of items, of components from these variety of games. And also I want to provide the opportunity for people to make their own components for some levels, right? And maybe we have them merged in to like the open source project down the line. Is what my head's at. But of course, like, the head doesn't mean anything. First, you gotta write it down, and then you have to, like, actually code the damn thing, right? So, how it works in my head, that's like a two-step of reduction process. So maybe this would be like super lame when it's done, but that's what I'm kind of feeling. So, let's have goal of the project, general design for implementation, other iterations, etc. I don't have any like sort of guideline I'm using to design this design document. Right, I just feel like writing things down. So the goal of the project, goal of, also, like, apologies for JAZCKLIKE, right? Like, it's so fucking, like, narcissistic to put your own username inside the title of a thing. But they're ZACK-likes. It works so well. It works so well as a title. I can't not do it. I'm not narcissistic, you say. It's just that the title is too good to ignore. Anyway. to provide a generalized, extensible framework for JAZCKLIKE's JAZCKLIKE puzzles, including many of the component for user-created JAZCKLIKE puzzles. Should probably be in quotes. Including many of the components from the mainline from the Zachtronics, from the games featured in the Zachtronics catalog. And this is, I forgot, how do I, yeah, control dot, yeah. User story, I guess. Right, let's have a user story. The idea is player user stories. Like, this is not like exact. I'm ringing it, right? It's you're ringing it. You know what? Nothing counts unless it's on a repository, right? So I should set up a GitHub repository for this. GitHub. Of course, it wants me to authenticate via SMS. I hope I don't accidentally dox myself. It's so easy to dox yourself when you're like coding on C. Like, that's scary for me, but I mean, what can you do? So I have README file. I don't know what to license it under yet. Let's do none for now. You can see the source code, but it's all rights reserved. Let's see here. I forget if I have, how do I see? Get config -l. Yeah, my email is strictly set up to not actually use like my real email and just like the end. Oh, I gotta switch my editor. It's set up to use Atom. Switch get editor. Like, Atom is obviously not the call. Use Visual Studio as get editor. How do I do that? Get config -s global -e code editor, turn into code, and code pulls up, yeah. Visual Studio Code window. Fantastic. Fan-fucking-tastic. A player pulls in a puzzle they want and can play it and view the score. A puzzle maker can make the puzzle with the components they use. Input and output criteria and custom scoring metrics. Oh, gotta actually CD, E, LS, CD programming. No, not program files. CD programming. LS, CD, JAZCKLIKE. That's JAZCK Advent of Code. CD, JAZCKLIKE. And then we need to mirror the repository. Get init. Get. I mean, actually, this is all fine for you guys to see. Don't like this debug console. How do I get rid of it? No, not the whole thing. I don't hide the entire thing. I just don't like seeing this debug console. Okay, how do I hide the debug console in VS Code? How do you get rid of it? Oh. That's how you get rid of it. Alright. Cool. Great. So we can now get init. Get add. I don't want to add VB. Get commit dash m design document. Get dash a. Get add dash a. Get commit. And then get branch dash m main get emote add origin that get push dash u origin main Avada Kedavra. Fantastic. We're up and running. I'm so curious. I'm so curious. You already know. Let's see here. Shouldn't sign for inflation. So I think the idea is I'm gonna do it in Rust. You know? And then we're gonna have use Lua for the use sandbox Lua for all of the user generated code except outside of maybe XML for none for now. For meta information, but they need to make an input and output the Lua file anyway for the input and output generation. So I don't know. We'll use generate code plus like that does that. Default components and what not. Yeah. I know. That's kind of where my head's at. Right? Add to document. Nope. Get push. Now here's a small poem. I don't actually know how to program in Rust. So, how to do Rust? You know, I'm doing it in Rust. Do you think I should be streaming under the Rust category? Like, it'd be funny if I did, you know? It'd be... has anyone else had this idea? Someone else's guy had this idea before. I'd be derivative. But I'm okay with being derivative. Being derivative is cool, actually. See, Rust. I'm not seeing any code. I'm not seeing any code. I'm seeing someone play definitely was not Rust and said like tower defense game? Not code, not code, not code. Not code, not code. Not code, not code. Not code, not code, not code. Oh my god. Geez, so many people seeing that game. And it's like isn't that at a disadvantage because people couldn't stream snipe you? Right? You know? Like, oh, let's solo stream. And they just look up your username. They see that you're on Twitch. They watch your Twitch stream. You get Twitch viewers. Okay, now I see the flowchart here. Right? It hurts your Rust performance, but it helps your Twitch performance. Anyway, I got completely distracted. How do we do this? Rest. Getting started. Do we have Rest up? We do. Okay. Has a little book. Ooh. the Rust programming language. Which, look at that. I opened up my browser. Okay, let's see here. Can I do a... I have so many extensions we don't need. Speaking of extensions, though. Goddamn. You got extensions for us. Yes. Everything you ever want. You have REST Analyzer. It's like the main thing. It's the main thing. Just a bunch of remote elements. But yeah, this is annoying. Install. Language support for Java. Haskell syntax highlighting. Extension pack for Java. Oh my god. Why was I running so much shit in Java? You don't need all this stuff for Java. Let's see here. Open internet page VS Code. So apparently you good. Open simple. Open browser. Wait, searching files. Browser. Simple browser, sure. Alright. And we can do this. None of that looks like potentially incriminating. So, oh, it's gone. Yeah. What? Oh, come on. Don't lie to me. I know you're just, It's just, VS Code is just never gonna look both. I don't know why it's not showing that. Oh well. Alright. Well, I guess you can't see it. Unless I pull up in the OBS browser, but no. Forward. It wasn't always cleared. Blah, blah, blah. Installation. Yeah. Do rest up update. Okay. Huh. Rest up update. Possibly closed by remote hosts. Seems like a problem with the request library. Okay, you know what? Just uninstall it. Maybe could we just reinstall it, you know? Customize installation, please. It's saying about US thing, yeah. Huh. I'm not using any proxy sockets though. You know, I think I have an idea. What the issue is. Okay, now. Okay. I was getting confused by VMware. It's installing it to my C drive. Which is bad because my C drive is very small. Look at it go. It's going boom, boom. When you say boom, 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 I say yeah, man, yeah. No pause in between. Come on, let's jam. Oh, look at that. It did it. It did the thing. Um, Yeah, okay. Cool. Now, what next? What next, boss? Blah, 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 blah. Hello, world. Make a new source file and call it main.rs. Maybe you want to have this in a subdirectory? Nah. Who cares? I'm not a communist. Let's analyze it. Why aren't you working? Because you failed to find projects. Okay, well, main build. Main build, hello build. You know, who cares? Let's see. Main.rs. Poops out main.hc. Okay, but how do I make the main file? Okay, we do cargo. Cargo. New. How do you do cargo in an existing? Cargo, new, and existing. And current directory. Yeah, that's what I want. Cargo init. Okay, so we just delete all these. Cargo init. That's not what I want. Cargo init. Name JAZCKLIKE. Cargo name JAZCKLIKE. Fine. Cargo rename. Why don't we name the name of the thing? No, I like full uppercase. Nah, you can't, you're not my dad. Cargo. JAZCKLIKE is not snake case or kebab case. Ah, fine. What do you mean being useful? Oh. I wonder what process is using it. 1 second. Let's go down to the E drive. Programming. Now boot up. Did you see your code again? I don't know. No pause in between. Come on, let's scam. Jam? Jam. Okay, but there's no... This is not existing anymore. There's no such factory though. Yeah. No, not having to go again. JAZCKLIKE. There you go. Why is package edition 2021 less? I mean, it's 2023. Is it just edition 2021? Why? Anyway, whatever. So now we have a source with that. So if you do cargo run, and now it should be cached, so if you do cargo run again, immediately. Keep doing it. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh, those catch heads. Oh, you love to see it. You really love to see it. Alright. What the hell is this? Okay. If you're gonna throw a hissy fit every so often, get installed. I don't want you. If you suddenly come out of nowhere and say, hey, by the way, C++, because you're doing EXEs, you must be doing C++. Like, no. No, go away. It's probably the fucking nonsense of the debug console game, too. Reload. Now, if you do cargo one, you're not gonna throw a hissy fit, right? Thank you. Okay. So. Cargo is convention. Alright, this file is automatically generated. Okay, whatever. Let's see. Get add -a. Made it a Rust thingy. Initiated the crushation. Except, of course, that's all bad. Okay. So it's just line feed. Who cares? Not me. Oh, pause in between. Come on, let's jam. Alright, alright, let's see here. Rust game development libraries. Are we game yet to RS? Okay, 2D rendering, I think. Oh, goodness gracious me. Oh, they have some example projects. Let's see. Let's see something that's sufficiently low. Makimoko. Okay, okay, yeah. If you're on his site, I'm assuming you have the source. No, it's just like, oh wow, we did it with Rust. Okay, cool, but how did you do it, though? It's not helpful. You can't just have, like, a list of 2D rendering crates without, like, giving me opinions on whether it's a good one, right? Some of them have 260k downloads, some of them don't. Some of them are more general than the others. So which one I should use and which ones I shouldn't use? Five less game engines can stuff your next project. Bevy. I don't want something extensive. I just want... GG Easy. A Rust library to create good games easily. It's like the Love Game Framework. So you have like an update, a draw. File system abstraction. Playing and learning OGG, Wave and FLAC files, TTF, video, math integration, easy timing and FES measurement. Yeah, I mean, that seems fantastic. That seems like what I want, honestly. Yeah, I mean... Let's see here. Okay, how do I, like, shamelessly use other people's shit? Rust programming manual. Let's see here. Yeah, handling. Generic types. Writing automated tests. Functional language. More about cargos. Okay, yeah. How do I get the shit in? Publishing crates. You can make automatic documentation contents. That's so neat. Set up workspaces? So you can have like a workspace for things. You know what? Faster Than Lime has the best tutorials. Let's do that. Let's use Faster Than Lime. Articles. Rust. Half hour to earn less. Fantastic, but how do I just grab things? Okay. But how do I actually use cargo to import the thing? Okay, introduction to cargo. Cargo new. Cargo run. Dependencies. Fantastic. Okay, so we just write it down in here. That's it. Is that it? We just say, okay, I want to use GG Easy. GG Easy. And it's complaining because that's not a word. But whatever. Cargo 1. Cargo 1. And it's like, that's not a real thing. Okay. GG Easy is that. Cargo 1. Waiting for file lock on cache pip. Package cache. Let's hope it's not because I'm out of space. I don't appear to be out of space. Oh, there you go. It's not like doing things. What's this? I saw some issues. It's so near it. Oh yeah. Seems to be going fine. Like 4 versions of an OSS. Nice job. Truly. Yeah, programming now. It's not programming unless you have 10 versions of the same thing. It's all going to my C drive though. I don't like that. I don't have a lot of space. I don't have a lot of C drive. Do be compiling though. What are other people doing in this category? I wonder. When I sing along with you. If only anything could ever feel as good forever. Coding for a bet than RuneScape. Absolute fucking legend. I'll tell you what. And again, you're not going to my C drive with any of this compiling stuff. Okay, even freeing a little bit of my C drive. Which is good, I guess. Alright. So, it built. It also has, GG Easy has a lot of, default, a lot of, not default, a lot of example code. It doesn't have physics, doesn't have animation, doesn't have GUI, doesn't have assets manager, doesn't have AI, ECS, and networking, but it does have file system abstraction, sound playing, keyboard and mouse events with callbacks, TTF font rendering. Yeah. Okay, I mean, that's nice. It's nice. It's just a little thing. It's a little thing. It's got what we need. Really, isn't that what matters in the end? I sing along with you. If only anything could ever feel this good forever. Hello, GGeezy. It's a check mark. Oh, because it's the newest version. Oh, that's so neat. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. That's so cute. And now do I have, like, a nice... Oh my god. Do like this, and then I'll get one. Fantastic. Okay. So I'm going to use it. Use easy star. All games have a loop. struct state is nothing, and then it wants me to implement some updates and game draw events. Hello build, and then let state equals state. We do cargo run, it's going to complain that things aren't used. Okay, contacts. So let me say this. You get. And then you can run it. And then we do cargo run. And it's complaining again that things aren't being used. But, you know. Hey! Why is it called an easy good game? 3 defaults. I now see the problem with what I'm doing right now is that you can't see it. Okay, so I guess, yeah, okay, so most actual people doing this run it through a VM, I think. That's why I need to get the new computer set up. Yeah, they do it through VM so you can see it. I want to finish it for an hour. So struct state, and to give it a DT SCD time duration. So what's down library? Duration. This is span of time to release system timeouts. Fantastic. So now it's complaining that's missing the duration. So let's give it DT. Zero 6. 0 nanoseconds? Look at me, Mom. I timed down to nanoseconds. Update self.dt equals ctx at time.delta. So the context. I don't like how my thing isn't recognizing it. That's the analyzer. Failed to reload workspace? Try harder. Come on. Root scanned. 102. Okay. Then you're indexing. we do be indexing. Okay, so now you can read it, and you still don't know what time is. You know what a game error is? Wait, okay. Syntax error, expect comma. I can guarantee you that's not an error. I think. You recognize what this is. You know what a state is. Oh. Wait. Okay, yeah, okay, so now it knows it. Timer state. Context. Time. Delta. And now it's saying self. DT. And then, okay. I'm kind of getting it. And now. And then. Hey. Okay. I'll go one. A 2B building. Yeah. Alright. Get dash A. Just did example and GG easy exemplary. Did I mention I don't know how to Rust? Because I don't. XD. LOL. Perfect. The perfect get commit message. Alright. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. And this is complaining because of an unused variable. But that's going to be for me now. I need to go to bed. I'll catch y'all on the flip side.